Minasan konnichiwa, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this Maison Margiela Tabi sandal. This package just arrived today and I'm so excited to open this, so let's get started. So this sandal is not for everyone. It's either you love it or you hate it. I think you might have heard or you might just have see this on Instagram. So yeah, let's do this. Yes, so this is the box. Yes, the Maison Margiela. So the shoe comes with a dust bag for the shoes. You can also use this for cooking or doing your house chores, I guess. So you have two dust bag, and inside is beautiful sandals. Yeah. So this is the Maison Margiela Tabi sandal. As you can see, I'm so excited. As I said earlier, it's either you love it or you hate it because of this camel toe. Some people find it uncomfortable, or I don't know. So as you can see, this is the split toe. The material is actually soft around here, so I think wearing them will be that uncomfortable. As for the size, I got the size 43, and I usually wear size 42 in sneakers and boots, but I got the size 43 for Margiela. So let's see if they fit perfectly. I think the size is perfect for me, so this is size 43. So this is how it looks on my feet. Size 43. I think the size is just perfect for me.